Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the replacement matches the existing lock cutout and stroke. Remove the interior screw covers using the correctly sized screwdriver to avoid stripping. Once the cover is off, back out the mounting screws evenly so the handle releases without binding. This prevents misalignment. Keep screws in a labeled container so you don't mix lengths. If the latch jams, wiggle the handle slightly while pulling to free it. This helps disengage internal cams without forcing and causing damage. Final assembly and troubleshoot. Make final assembly by seating the interior trim.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.